Management is a continuous process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. There are four main functions in management. To understand easily, we can refer one popular model, threefold concept. Threefold concept. Threefold concept says management has main three aspects. Management is economic factor, management is system of authority, management is class and status system. That is the main concentration of threefold system. What is economic factor? Management as economic factor. What is happening in economics? What is happening in management? Management is combining all factors of production to gain profit. Labor, land, capital, entrepreneurship. These four main economic factors are combining in order to gain profit. Then we can say management is economic factor. This is economic factor. This is economic function, right? This is the first concentration of this threefold system. And the second is management is system of authority. System of authority. Management is system of authority. Now, managers, they have certain level of authority to get things done from their subordinates, right? They can command. Others, the subordinates, they obey to managers. Why they obey to managers? They have certain form of authority. They have certain form of authority. That's why their subordinates obey to them and managers can get things done. Then we can say that is a system of authority. And later, the third aspect, management is class and status system. Management is a class, specific class. That is not normal class we can identify in the society. That is not a class identified based on wealth. That is not a class identified on caste, right? This is a specific class based on the education and the experience. Many people, they are trying to enter to this class. In normal society, normal social classes, people, they can't enter these classes, right? But this particular management class and this particular status, other people can enter to this class and other people can gain this status. Then this threefold system, threefold model explains the management is economic factor, the management is authority, system of authority, third is management is a class and status system. Class and status system. This is threefold concept in management.